According to Merriam-Webster's dictionary, an enzyme is a noun. It catalyzes all aspects of cell metabolism, including the digestion of food, in which large nutrient molecules, including proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, are broken down into smaller molecules, the conservation and transformation of chemical energy, and the construction of materials and components. Enzymes are proteins, but they may also contain a non-enzyme part, such as a cofactor or a coenzyme. While food enzymes occur naturally in food, they are also sometimes put in products by the food industry to do things such as make bread rise, provide flavor to dairy products, and they also help extract juices from fruits and vegetables. There are several thousand enzymes, and they make up a really small part of the cell, but even though they only make up such a small part, they play major roles. Enzymes are used to catalyze reactions, and they can do it up to 10 to the 14 times. It's important to understand, however, that enzymes don't change the equilibrium of a reaction and make it lower, but instead they help the reaction to reach an equilibrium at a faster rate. As you can see from the graph, the top lines contain enzymes, and they are at a much faster rate than the line with no enzymes, showing that enzymes reach this Vmax equilibrium faster. From this picture, you can see that enzymes, which is this bottom part, have an active site, and that binds a substrate, which is the top part. And each have a specificity depending on how they react with certain molecules. pH and temperature both have a direct effect on enzymes and how they react. Enzymes are sometimes inhibited when an inhibitor binds to the active site or to another part of the substrate. This inhibition changes how enzymes react. Food enzymes are classified into 6 main groups: oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolases, lyases, isomerases, and ligases. Each of these different groups catalyzes different things. For example, oxidoreductases catalyze oxidation and reductions, and hydrolases catalyze the hydrolytic splitting of a substrate. Transferases catalyze a shift of a chemical group from a donor to an acceptor. Lyases catalyze the removal or addition of chemical groups to substrates. Isomerases catalyze intramolecular rearrangements, and ligases catalyze combinations of substrate molecules. Many enzymes also appear in commercial baked goods. Amylase, for example, is an enzyme that is often used in bread to strengthen the quality of the wheat flour that's in it. Gluten in bread provides the chewiness when you eat the bread, and sometimes bakers add amylase in order to remove or reduce the gluten that's in there, and this helps to provide a crispier product such as cookies or crackers. Sometimes amylase is also used to convert starch into cane or beet sugar, and it is sometimes used as a sweetener in foods. Food enzymes are also found in dairy products. Food enzymes such as lipase are useful in producing the creamy textures and the buttery flavors that you sometimes see. Peptidases and proteases make the flavor richer in dairy products, and proteases also increase emulsions and water absorption in cheese. Trypsin and chymotrypsin are used in milk to hydrolyze it and make it less bitter tasting. And all these enzymes help enhance the taste as well as the nutritional value in different types of dairy products. Protease, acid protease, and carbohydrates are some enzymes that are used in proteins. Enzymes improve plant extraction yields. They aid in digestive support of plant products also. Meats have an enhanced flavor. They have an improved food solubility and digestibility because of food enzymes that are added to them. Glucose oxidase and proteinase improve egg appearance. It prevents browning in the eggs, and it allows eggs to foam easier when they are beaten, and so it makes them easier to cook with. So, in conclusion, Enzymes catalyze many different types of reactions, and they're used in so many different ways in the food industry. They help make different food products better, and they make foods the way they are today.